Hi everyone. I'm Pranab Kishore Prehraj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we are going to discuss SEO. The search engine optimization. You might have heard a lot about SEO in recent years, but what does it mean, and why should you use it? Let's break it down in simple terms. First things, do you know? What exactly is search engine optimization? When a new shop or store opens, pamphlets are distributed, posters and banners are put up, or hoardings are used to increase awareness. Similarly, your digital shop, for example website, also needs to be promoted, its awareness has to be created and an interested audience has to be brought to it. All this work is done on search engines like Google, where the website is optimized with Google algorithms in mind. This process is called search engine optimization or SEO. It is a strategy that helps in ranking a website on Google and ultimately whatever objectives your business has. Brand awareness, track generation, influence building and selling. SEO is not like those strategies that you use once and just wait for the result. It has to be implemented continuously. It takes some time to rank a website with its help. But all the people who visit your website are interested in your products, services, and content. Therefore, it would not be wrong to say that it is a little easier to convert these people into customers. The sole purpose of search engine optimization is that as soon as a user asks any query related to your content, products, or services from Google, he should see your website first and he can visit it. Whenever a user asks his query, a page opens in front of him on which many websites are answering the user's query. This page is called the search engine result page. There are thousands of such pages on Google which are providing relevant results to the user's query. But, whenever it comes to ranking, every business owner wants his website also rank on the first page of Google. According to Advanced Web Ranking, about 67% of clicks come on the first 5 ranked results on Google. Hence SEO becomes important for organic tracking. Whenever it comes to SEO, one term is heard again and again, which is keyword. The keyword is the query, question, or group of words that other people type on Google and find solutions to their problems. For example, digital marketing benefits for businessmen, best gaming laptop under 50,000 rupees, best places to visit in Kashmir, etc. But sometimes there are some questions which make you think. One such question was asked by a student during a live interaction. He told me, "Sir, I am a product manufacturer and whatever products I manufacture, I put them on my website. But I have to sell those products so that the old stock is sold out and the work in the factory also continues. In such a case, will I need organic track? Should I do SEO of the website?" So I thought, why not have a detailed discussion on this and explain why organic track is needed? Why is organic track required if we can run paid ads? SEO is a never-ending process in which you have to keep doing something every day. It does not mean that you implemented it today and the results will start showing in a day or two. It takes 2 to 3 months to see the positive effect of SEO, so you need to be patient while implementing it. In such a situation, a question arises in the minds of people: if SEO is such a time-consuming process, then why is it needed? We can track it by running ads. This is true. But perhaps they do not know the importance of organic tracking or Google-ranked websites. In the beginning, you have money, you want to invest, and want to track your website using paid ads, but for how long? For how long will you keep spending thousands of rupees on your campaigns, and for how long will you remain dependent on those paid ads? One day or the other you will have to hire SEO experts and take their services. The best example of this is startups. You must know that startups raise money to move ahead in their journey, to reach people in terms of marketing, to create awareness, and for brand building. Shark Tank India was based on this, where newly launched startups came to get funding to grow their business. They utilize the money received from this funding in different ways and reach their target audience. They give ads on TV, give ads on the radio, put up big hoardings, and run their ads on big platforms like Google, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. The thing to understand here is that they have no shortage of money, but despite this, they hire the best SEO experts for their website and bring organic tracks. Secondly, it has been seen that those who generate tracks in terms of ads do not spend much time optimizing their website and making it user-friendly. In such a situation, many of the people who land on their website after seeing their ads are not able to do anything. So they are not able to understand the structure of the website, they do not understand which page to click on, whom to ask or contact to find a solution to their problems. Due to the poor navigation of the website, these people leave the website in a few seconds and ultimately find the answers to their queries by doing a Google search. That is why it has become very important to implement SEO strategies today. This not only ranks the website but also builds its authority and credibility, which makes it visible to other brands. This opens up revenues for you to earn money. You not only earn money from Google AdSense but also from brand sponsorships. You charge a significant amount for publishing the content of other websites on your website. To rank a website on Google, many factors have to be kept in mind and different strategies have to be followed. These strategies are divided into different types of SEO. Finally, we have 4 different types of SEO strategies that help optimize the website for both search engines as well as users. Their names are as follows. 1. On-page SEO. 2. Off-page SEO. 3. Technical SEO. 4. Local SEO. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us here on Pranab Digital Gurukul for more concept insights and latest content. Do not forget to visit our website www.pranabkishore.com for more valuable content. In our next video, we will discuss more about SEO in Part 2 series. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.